What do you know about affiliate marketing? Selling other people's products, often known as affiliate marketing, is one of the simplest methods to generate money online. In a nutshell, you identify an intriguing product online and reach an agreement with the vendor to receive a commissions for every sale you drive to their website. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more intriguing videos like this. And be sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started without further ado. What is Clickbank? Clickbank is a digital product affiliate network that houses hundreds of digital products such as ebooks, movies, and software. They merely act as go-betweens for product sellers and affiliate marketers. If you are the vendor, you make your product and sell it through Clickbank's system. They then list your product in their marketplace, making it visible to tens of thousands of affiliates. They conduct the tracking by employing unique tracking URLs and cookies, which allow them to determine where the sale originated and credit the referring account accordingly. Confused? It will become evident in a moment. Many people begin as affiliates and subsequently progress to become vendors. In this video, we will concentrate on making money as an affiliate because it is the simplest approach. All you have to do as an affiliate is sign up for a Clickbank affiliate account and then begin browsing their marketplace, which includes all accessible products from their partner vendor. When you find a decent product, Clickbank will provide you with a one-of-a-kind affiliate link that will take you to the vendor's sales page. How much money do you think you can make with Clickbank? This is an extremely personal question. The most important aspects are your affiliate products and how you advertise them. In the next sections, we'll go over exactly how to do that. But if you are wondering, you can make money as an associate with Clickbank. The answer is unequivocally yes. It is not uncommon to see folks making 3 figures every day on Clickbank. A normal sale will net you between $15 and $50 in commission. Let's say the average is $30. This means you'll need 4 sales every day to reach $100. Doesn't that seem doable? Depending on your level of competence, your first sale might happen in days or months. Things become much easier after that, once you have shown to yourself that it works. Warren Wheeler of AM Ninjas is a wonderful example of someone who is generating good money on Clickbank. He just published a case study detailing how he used Clickbank to take a fresh new affiliate website from $0 to $300+ a day in less than 3 months. Both of these posts cover very distinct tactics. I'm going to go over both of those tactics as well as my preferred approach for beginners. Now here's the questions everyone has been waiting for. How do you make money with Clickbank? So let's go down to business. Here's a rundown of what I'll be covering to assist you in making your first Clickbank sale. There are 3 major actions to take: the product or promotions, a funnel, and traffic. We'll go over each stage in greater depth later, but let me give you a quick overview of each. The Clickbank product you'll be marketing is the product or offer. This may appear to be an easy step, but failing to complete it may prevent you from earning a single penny because the other steps are constructed on top of it. The funnel comes next. The funnel essentially symbolizes a visitor's path from the time they are introduced to your own website, ad, or link to the moment where they can purchase through your affiliate link. There are numerous techniques to this, so try them all and play to your strengths. Finally, traffic is required. You've got the product, you have set up the journey your visitor will take to get to the product. And now all you have to do is start pushing those people to your sales funnel. Now, what's the product? So before you choose a product, go to the Clickbank website and create an affiliate network account. Creating a Clickbank account is a simple process that you can begin right here. When you are finished, go to the marketplace and start browsing. Let's go into the general explorations phase. Many people recommend starting with a niche or category you are comfortable with and browsing things inside it. Although I agree with this approach for a variety of reasons that I will discuss later, I do not believe it should be the starting point. Simply click the magnifying glass button beside the search field without typing anything. This allows you to browse a comprehensive list of products from all categories. The Sort Result by drop-down menu allows you to sort the results based on several criteria. For our purposes, we'll leave it as popularity for the time being. However, I encourage you to sort by gravity and browse products that way as well. Forget about categories, niches, and anything else at this stage. We just want to figure out what makes a good product. But what exactly do these phrases mean? You're probably thinking, that's a no-brainer. Simply sort by highest gravity and select a product from the results. While many people recommend going that path, it has drawbacks. The biggest one is that high gravity equal many affiliates equal plenty of competition. This isn't always a terrible thing, but it might not be optimal for newcomers. Browse through 10 to 20 high-gravity products before moving on to the next section. Visit their affiliate tools and sales pages. Take note of how they offer the product to their clients as well as you as an affiliate. You'll rapidly begin to notice patterns. How to use Clickbank affiliate marketing to make $500 per day. I understand that the information in this video may be overwhelming and you may be seeking a specific method to start generating money with Clickbank. The truth is that every single option here is profitable. If in doubt, use the following Clickbank formula. Choose a product that addresses a problem, has a high commission rate, and you believe in its potential and value to your target audience. Write an article about the product. It should be beneficial. Conduct keyword research to identify low competition's long-tail keywords for writing about. At the end of the piece, offer a free guide with extra dog training suggestions like 8 dangerous foods for your dogs you didn't know about, etc. Something to pique your readers' interest and leave them wanting more. After they subscribe to your list, send them a couple of emails with links to further articles or relevant information. Then pitch your dog training solutions once you have gained their confidence. Repeat this method and construct some link. If you have the funds, you can start running Facebook ads and/or AdWords campaigns for the article concurrently. To increase your chances of getting good traffic from Google, make sure your website has at least 15 pages. The basic long-term plan I advocate is outlined above. It takes a lot of effort, but it pays off. You can always go the easier path of simply creating an opt-in page and directing bot traffic to it. While these pages have a high conversion rate, they are significantly less likely to rank in search engines or offer you organic traffic. Going down the useful content development path allows you to use nearly any traffic source sequentially or simultaneously, resulting in a powerful long-term assets that regularly brings in leads, traffic, and sales. With that being said, that's all for today. Thank you for spending time with us. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to get access to more interesting videos from us. Till next time.